I am out at the range today, as you can see, a bright sunny day. And for June 8th, or 6/8, what do we shoot? We shoot caliber 6/8. What in the world is caliber 6/8, you ask? Well, nobody actually calls it caliber 6/8. It is 68 caliber. Let's compare. There is a 22 long rifle. There's a 9mm. That is a 20 gauge shotgun shell and a little shorty 12 gauge shell. And then in comparison to the diameter, that thing wants to roll, there is 68 caliber. It's about the diameter of the 12 gauge, a little bit bigger than the 20 gauge. Why does 68 caliber look so different than a standard firearm round? Because 68 caliber is generally fired from an air gun. So instead of being shot, it is launched. Today, the launcher I'm using is a rifle. Well, I guess it's a rifle-like launcher. The Tippmann rifle launcher. It shoots 68 caliber. It's made for paintball, but also it can shoot solid projectiles or these pepper balls. Pepper balls are basically self-defense items. 68 caliber round ball made basically out of what pepper spray is made out of, and it's compacted into a chalky ball. You fire it at your, well, I guess you don't fire it, you launch it at your intended target, someone who is attacking you, and when it hits the target, it is supposed to shatter into a cloud of pepper chalk, pepper dust, and that should dissuade a bad guy from trying to continue his attack. This particular launcher is magazine fed. It looks like a rifle magazine, but the 68 caliber projectiles go in here. Feed it into this rifle, just like a standard rifle. There's an air tank here, and the air tank actually becomes part of the stock. And so you're using air to launch these rounds. And this air tank is filled to about 3,000 pounds per square inch. Let's go ahead and install that and see how it works. I have a few rounds of the pepper balls loaded into this magazine, a few rounds of the kinetic balls in here. Got this thing put together. Some of the targets I have downrange. Got a couple balloons, some aluminum pans, and this old piece of foam board. We will try the pepper projectiles. I haven't adjusted these sights at all. It's the first time I'm firing this, or shall I say, launching from it. Let's see if I can hit something. Well, that sounded pretty powerful. Okay, we're shooting a little high.
Well, that sounded pretty powerful. Okay, we're shooting a little high.
Not sure how clearly you can see it, but one of those pepper balls shattered. Let's try a few of these kinetic rounds. See what kind of a slap they are going to give. I'll try to aim a little low here. Alright, that seemed to work. Looks like it pretty much crushed over here. I think it assisted crushing over there. We got our balloons and a 68 caliber hole in the foam.
Alright, that seemed to work.
For 6.8, we shoot caliber 6.8.
For 6.8, we shoot caliber 6.8.